For this storyboard, we will be looking at the writing process. The writing process has several steps to make you the best author that you can be. The first step is the pre-writing stage. For this stage, you're going to think about what you want to write about. We do this by brainstorming. The best way to brainstorm is by gathering information using a graphic organizer, just like this one. After that, we review and we chunk similar facts together. I like to use this graphic organizer. The next stage in our writing process is the drafting stage. This is where we actually begin to write our piece. To start, we make a strong introduction. An introduction is the beginning of a paragraph, and you can start with a sound word, ask the reader a question, or give an interesting or surprising fact. Next, we write descriptive and clear supporting paragraphs. We can do this by adding detail. We can give examples, give definitions, make comparisons, use adjectives, or use adverbs. After that, we can begin connecting and linking ideas together, and we finish with a strong conclusion. The next step in our writing process is revising. This is where we make our draft better. We can do this by replacing boring or overused words with adverbs or adjectives. Next, we can combine sentences using combining words such as but, so, or, and, or because. Next, we reword or rearrange sentences. Finally, we can add in linking words or phrases. Here's a list of some transition words you can use. The next step in the writing process is editing. This is where we make our piece correct. Here is an example of how we can edit our piece. We must check for capital letters. We must check the order of the words and sentences. Check for correct punctuation. And check for correct spelling. Once we have all this, we can move on to publishing. This is where we finish and share our work. For your final copy, make sure to write sentences and paragraphs neatly. Also, you can add illustrations or text features using crayons or markers. Here's an example of an illustration with the text feature. Now, let's get started.